We heartily welcome you to our third episode of Animal Adaptations, where, if you can remember, we will be plunging into the oceans of the world to look at the octopus, sardine and seahorse to investigate how they really survive in the cold, dark oceans of planet Earth. The octopus is truly an amazing sea animal, and is probably one of the more well-known animals which lives in the oceans due to its weird and different adaptations. One of the octopus's more unknown adaptations is that, like the chameleon we saw last time in the rainforest, the octopus can change color to blend in with its surroundings when trying to evade a predator, like a pajama shark, and surprisingly some types of dolphins. But the octopus doesn't even stop there. The octopus can change its texture as well, meaning how it feels as well, which really earns it the title of a master evader, and allows us to see that although octopi seem like one of the more predatory species of the ocean, they have so many more adaptations to help them survive and run away from other predators. If their amazing camouflage doesn't fool their hunter, they can also release poisonous chemicals which provide a smoke screen of black and don't allow predators to spot it. However, this chemical is also released when an octopus wants to kill its prey, as when living things encounter this chemical for long periods of time, they become intoxicated and die. And in the sheer unlikeliness that an octopus does somehow get injured in an underwater pursuit, they even have regenerating limbs, which, to put it in simpler terms, is the ability to regrow arms once they are lost. Moving on from this underwater 8-armed evader, we will now see how the sardine is adapted. Sardines are a lot smaller than octopuses and so tend to grow 15 centimeters long during their lifetime, which unfortunately means most animals hunt and try to eat them. So, how are they adapted to not become some shark's fish dinner? Sardines do something called swarming, which is used to get away from predators. Swarming is effectively sardines collecting together in huge numbers, and is helpful as a predator may believe a swarm of sardines to be too big a prey to fight, or might simply keep losing the particular sardine it chases behind many other sardines, and thus will keep losing its prey. Quite recently, it was discovered that sardines make strong use of some fishy physics. Their scales are very reflective, and so, in days with lots of sun, can reflect a lot of light into a predator's eyes. Now, this may not be enough individually to stun or scare the predator, but as a whole swarm, the dazzling light of all these sardines can be quite threatening to even the most fierce aquatic predators. As well as this, the light can dazzle a predator and confuse it as to whether it is hunting many small fishes or one big fish, which in most cases will put the predator off, as big prey are extremely hard to kill. Following tradition, why don't we have a third stealthy aquatic animal to finish up this episode of Amazing Evaders? The seahorse is a perfect fit for the job. Just like the octopus, the seahorse can change its color to hide around the corals from prey. Combined with its super small size, the seahorse is definitely not an easy catch for any predators. Their long snouts greatly help them find food with their increased sense of smell as well, but maybe more importantly, they have surprisingly good vision. This is extremely useful, as these seahorses will sniff out or see a predator approaching before the predator has even detected them. And with that, we conclude the aquatic trio. Thank you for listening, and, as always, we wish you a pleasant remainder of your day. But before we say goodbye, how do you think a camel is adapted to its dry and hot environment? Think about how it is different to other animals to help you with your task. Till next time, where we will uncover the mysteries of a camel. Bye-bye.